From the sound of the black hole to the rings of Saturn, these are the most uncommon space sounds ever recorded in history. NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft detected vibrations in the dense interstellar plasma as it traversed interstellar space. When translated into sound waves, these vibrations produce an eerie, continuous resonance that feels uncommon. But if you thought that sounded crazy, then listen to these sounds from Saturn's radio emission. The radio emissions are as mysterious as the planet itself. These sounds resemble tones that rise and fall like an alien melody echoing through space. Neptune, the distant blue giant, isn't silent either. It emits a deep, haunting hum captured by spacecraft, a sound that feels like the distant echo of an alien wind sweeping across its icy atmosphere. The Sun, the heart of our solar system, emits an unexpected melody. NASA's Parker Solar Probe, traveling closer to the Sun than ever before, recorded these plasmatic waves. Listen carefully to these waves. Was it expected? Maybe the sounds of Venus or Titan might grab your senses a little more. Venus, often called Earth's twin, has a voice that's anything but familiar. The sounds recorded from its atmosphere are deep, haunting, and almost like the rumble of a distant storm. Saturn's moon Titan doesn't just look otherworldly, it sounds like it too. The Huygens probe captured a deep, droning hum as it descended through Titan's thick, hazy atmosphere, a sound that felt like a heartbeat from another world. Black holes, the mysterious giants of the cosmos. Their immense gravity pulls in everything, even light, creating regions of complete darkness. However, these titans are not silent. Scientists have detected sound waves emitted by a black hole located 250 million light-years away from Earth. Mars might seem like a silent desert, but it has its own hidden tremors. These so-called MarsQuakes reveal the planet's restless nature, and thanks to NASA's InSight lander, we've captured the vibrations echoing through its rocky surface. These pulsars, neutron stars spinning at incredible speeds, send radiation beams into the cosmos. These dense stellar remnants emit rhythmic pulses, like the steady ticking of a celestial clock, marking time in the universe. Saturn's rings aren't just visually stunning, they also produce an oddly mechanical sound. During Emission, Cassini captured audio that felt like an eerie machine at work.